Previously on Sailing New Horizons, we rang in the new year 2023 at this awesome dance party on Culebra. And here we are at the anchorage on Culebra. I'm just starting the engine, and we're taking a really short passage today to the east to Culebrita, which, as the name suggests, is just a little island right next to Culebra. And like I said, it was a short passage, so here we are at anchor already at Culebrita. When we arrived, we were the only boat. That other boat that you just saw are some friends of ours that buddy boated over with us. And we took the dinghy to shore to go for a hike around the island. And not long after we arrived, several other boats also came in. If you look closely at these tide pools, you'll see that there's actually a lot of life in them. These fish are really small, maybe the size of my fingernail. And it's a really cool little environment because it's just an isolated pocket of seawater found in the ocean's intertidal zone. And after just one night at Culebrita, here we are the next morning, after having just raised the anchor, and we're continuing east from the Spanish Virgin Islands to our first stop in the US Virgin Islands, which will be St. Thomas. And if you look closely at the two head sails, you'll see that there's luffing slightly. And what we're doing here is called feathering. So we're sailing on a close haul, which is the closest point of sail into the wind. And if it feels like the boat is getting a little overpowered, we turn up just a little more into the wind, which causes the sails to luff, and that reduces our power a bit. And here we are finally at anchor at Charlotte Amalie at St. Thomas. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up button, and the notifications bell. Stay tuned for next time as we continue to explore the Virgin Islands. See ya!